So we have started walking in the water because of how much blood.
Wong Lung Stream is known as the head stream of the 5 Lung streams in Tung Chung area, known for its clear water and the upper waterfalls. The water flows from Sunset Peak and the surrounding mountains, and its proximity to Tung Chung makes it a popular choice, although I don't think it's suitable for beginners, so bear that in mind.
Hi guys, welcome back to Lab Travel Eat. Today we are back in Tung Chung. So some of you might be familiar with this, with the Pak Lung stream. So today we are going to the Wong Lung stream, which is just adjacent to it and one of the 9 main streams in Hong Kong. So let's go.
The starting point of Wong Lung stream is the same as Pak Lung stream, and you can walk from Tung Chung MTR to the end of Wong Lung Han Road and carry on. At the end, go left and you'll find the dam.
So we made it to this very familiar dam. So the water level actually are quite high, so we're walking through this other trail going towards the right, not towards the dam this time, because that's for Pak Lung stream.
Go towards the other dam to the right, then up the left side, and you'll be at the main stream. We actually went up here accidentally the first time we tried to go to Pak Lung stream.
So we have started properly trekking, or an uncle, and it's actually a lot of water, like I said a bit earlier, as you can see. So we're trying to be careful, but if in need, we will go into the water. Should not walk and talk.
It has been a very rainy summer, so I guess there's some perk to it. We had to walk in the water quite quickly, but we are prepared.
So we have started walking in the water because of how high the water level is today, which is pretty nice. So definitely bring your wet shoes or shoes that you can get wet in. I have these amazing shoes from Lafuma. Love.
There are so many pretty spots that it was hard not to stop every few minutes. While it is still mostly flat, we did have to do a lot of climbing.
So we are now much further upstream and finally away from people, which is really nice. So the water is so pretty. Definitely, I guess, worth it to come when there's more water. And then we can't predict the weather, can we?
We see ribbons that guide us from time to time and found a super pretty stretch too, and had to climb a lot.
So we have reached the first landmark, which is this rock called Siu San. So that's a lion dragon whistling.
The name really doesn't make much sense, it's just dragon related, and we stopped for some photos here.
So we came back down to this pool because the weather was turning bad, but now it's sunny again. Either way, we're gonna have some food before we consider what to do next.
After lunch, we went back up since the weather cleared, and there is more hopping and walking in the water here.
So we came up from this side, and there is the stream continues this way, but there's also an offshoot this way. So this is not the Wong Lung, this is the Tung Chung stream. So just carry on the big one.
The Wong Lung stream is the biggest, so it should be safe to go straight up.
So we are heading up towards the Wong Lung waterfall. After that, we also have the left and right waterfall. And then we're going to turn back because we don't want to do the stone walkway. So that's where like an accident happened and 2 people passed away because they fell down. I love life.
Stream trekking is an intermediate level activity, so definitely make sure you are prepared. We carried on and could see the main fall in the distance, and it's just a last big climb away.
So we have made it to the main waterfall. Yeah. So it's quite a few people here, but that's actually a fairbound space. The water's really cool and clear. Really excited to get some photos.
It's not a big space, but we swam and took some photos before the crowd came in.
Hi, so we took some photos. Now everyone's kind of going in the water. I moved here, so hopefully you can see me better. We're not going to go back out by the same way we came. We're not going to the higher waterfall because it's up to 3. So I estimate it's going to take us about 2 hours or maybe an hour and a half to go out. Let's see if I'm correct.
So we just return the same way we came, and there's no danger of getting lost.
So we are almost, actually we might have passed the rock, the dragon whistle rock. And now it is, what time is it? Almost 4, so I reckon another hour to go out, and that is correct.
We did forget where to cross in some places, but overall it was a much smoother journey out than in.
So we may be back out. It is now 4:16, so it took us an hour and 15 minutes. So from here to go back to Tung Chung, I reckon it's half an hour to 45 minutes, so my estimation is still correct. So I hope you guys enjoy this hike. So stay tuned for more hiking videos. Hopefully the weather will be better. And don't forget to comment and like. Hi guys. Oh. What are you doing? Holding my bag. 不過係咁